New Year, New You, New Habits. Narrated by Gear Up. Powered by Learn to Achieve. So it's that time of year again where people start saying New Year, New Me. Well, I think they should start saying it's time to start thinking about good and or bad habits. Will you be working on the best that you can be this year? Or will you continue to do the things that worked well for you? Or will you continue to work on the habits that got you where you are now? Either way, I have a secret for you. Failing classes does not mean you can't get into a foreign university. If you try really hard, you can get colleges to overlook at least one bad grade in your transcript. The secret is called validation. Validation of deficient grades based on the Quick Reference Guide to UC admissions. In mathematics and language other than English only, completion of a higher level course with a C or better validates an earlier grade of D or F in a lower level course. For example, a D or F in the first semester of geometry validates a grade of C or higher in the second semester of geometry. Please note that validation is not the same as repeating a course to replace a D or F in the GPA calculation. If students use a higher level course to validate a lower level course, both grades are used to calculate the GPA. See the validation matrices on page 18 and 19 for more information on the Quick Reference Guide to UC admissions. Specifically with geometry, if students complete the geometry course and receive a D or F, the student can validate the grade deficiency by completing at least the first semester of an advanced level math course. For details, see the validation matrix on page 18 or ask the local community college of the Redwoods. Too long didn't read version. Passing a higher level math course will validate or make acceptable you having a bad grade in the previous semester. For example, doing well in Algebra 2 spring semester will validate you doing not so well in Algebra 2 fall semester. And if you do well in Geometry spring semester, it will validate or make okay that you didn't do well in the second semester of geometry. However, this will not affect your GPA. Colleges will still use the bad grade in your GPA calculations. How will Gear Up help you with this? First of all, please check out our Google site and look for notes and study tips. I'll be going into your Algebra 2 and Geometry class to write notes, and you can see them soon on our website. We'll be giving out prizes randomly to students who show up to mandatorials. Community organizers even want to reward you for your hard work. For example, join the Comic-Con revolution. While Delnor Library is putting on a Comic-Con, and you're invited. Sign up to get all the latest details and play a part. Costumes, contests, eSport tournaments, and more will be available if you do well in your classes and participate into this event. You can even sell your artwork. So stop by the Cosplay or Game Club to prepare for the event. Cosplay Club is on Wednesdays, room D8, and the Game Club is on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the library in room D5. As for those of you who want to join the esports revolution, the first series of games we're going to get onto the computers are Smite, League of Legends, and Rocket League. We're trying to get more. So please stop by the library or room D5 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I hope that you have a wonderful day and start off this new year right. If you do successful, I hope to bring prizes. Have a wonderful day.